Look at this site. It's consistent, responsive, and growth-ready. That's the power of Levo. Instead of juggling tools or waiting on developers, you can design and launch something like this yourself. Each module in this course is a step toward making this your reality. Now that you understand what a collection is, let's create one step by step. We'll continue with the same example, a team members collection, so everything stays clear and practical. How to create collection. To create a collection, go to the Collections tab from the sidebar. Here, you'll see three options: Forms, Content, and Database. If you select Forms, you'll find multiple templates for creating different types of forms, like a contact form. For this example, switch to the Content section. Here, you'll see ready-made templates like the Team template. Let's select this. Levo will now automatically create a basic team members collection for you and redirect you to the collection settings page. You'll notice that this collection already includes some default fields. These fields define the structure where your data is stored. If you want, you can add another field from here, and also you can edit the existing field also from here. Now let's customize this collection based on our needs. Right now, I don't need the LinkedIn URL field, so I'll simply click on the Delete option and select Delete to remove it. Next, I want to add a new field for experience. To do that, click on Add Field. You'll see different field types like text, paragraph, email, dropdown, and many more. You can explore these to understand which type fits your use case. Let's create a field for experience. Select the text field, add a label. Of name Experience, this is for naming the field. You can also add helper text if needed. There's also a required toggle. If enabled, this field must be filled before saving any entry. Once everything is set, click Save. After you're done editing all fields, click on Save Collection to finalize your changes. This makes it easy to customize the collection based on your requirements. Now let's add entries to our collection. To do that, go to the Collections tab from the sidebar and select the Team Members collection. You'll see that this page is currently empty. So now we need to add some entries. What are entries? Entries are simply the data you fill into the fields. Each entry represents one team member. Now let's start adding entries. Click on New Item to add data into collection. You'll see the form structure we created. Now, fill in the details quickly of your employees one by one to the fields we have created. Once you add all the data to this fields, click on Save to save all this data. That's how easily we enter one employee's data to our collection. Repeat this process for all your team members. After you enter all the data, your collection will be ready, with the structure and with the data. Let's pause and understand what we did till now. You didn't design any page. You simply created a structure and filled it with data. Now your collection is ready. Now comes the most powerful part of designing a collection page. Instead of designing multiple pages, we'll design just one page. Let's create a new page and connect it to your team members collection. To start, click on Create Page. Here, you'll see different template options that you can choose from. You can use a template, but for this example, we'll design from scratch. So let's select Blank Page. Now, name the page and set the page type to Collection Page. To connect this page with your collection, click on Add Source and select the Team Members collection. Then add a variable in the URL. It allows Levo to generate a unique page for each entry. Now click on Create. You'll be redirected to the studio where we can start designing the page. Now your collection is connected to this page. This means you only need to design one page, and all other pages will automatically follow the same design. Now let's design the page like a normal layout. Levo already provides ready-made blocks. Go to All Blocks, search for a Profile section, explore blocks and choose a block that fits your design. I'll use this block. Now customize it by adding navbar, footer, or CTA section if needed. Also, if you don't need certain elements like these social icons, you can simply remove them by hiding it from the Styles tab. Now we connect the collection data to this layout. Click on any text element. In the Content tab, click on the curly braces icon. You'll see your collection name. Hover over it to view all fields. Now select the name field. and remove the other text. It will automatically pull the data from your collection. Repeat this steps for image, role, bio, and other fields. Great, so you have successfully connected this page with your collection. Let's pause again and understand. What did we do? We designed one template. Instead of static content, we connected dynamic data. Now here's the magic. Levo automatically creates pages for every entry using this design. You didn't duplicate anything. You can view all generated pages from this tab and switch between them easily by selecting it. When collections become powerful, let's say you add a new team member. You don't have to create a new page, you simply add a new entry. And that page will be created automatically with the collection. Or you want to update the design. You don't edit multiple pages. You just update the template once and all pages update instantly. Why collection is powerful? Without collections, you have to create pages manually, repeat design work, and it's difficult to maintain. With collections, you will design the page once, add data through entries, and scale to hundreds of pages. This is the core idea behind collection. Add data, design once, and let Levo handle the rest. Once you start using collections like this, you'll never want to create pages manually again. In the next lesson, we'll understand some advanced feature of collection. What are you waiting for? Make your brand go live with Levo.